Welcome to our roundup of the best blenders. Whether someone is creating refreshing smoothies, creamy soups, or delicious sauces, these blenders are designed to make every blending task effortless and efficient. Today's buyers look for powerful motors, durable blades, and easy-to-clean designs. And the latest models deliver all that and more. With advanced blending technology, multiple speed settings, and sleek space-saving builds, these blenders combine performance with convenience. From crushing ice to pureeing fruits, they're built to handle it all, making healthy living and culinary creativity easier than ever. Stay tuned as we walk through the best picks available today, and don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. The first on the list is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender offers a seamless combination of power, design, and convenience. With its 700 watts of peak blending power, it can easily handle tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables. The heat-resistant glass jar ensures durability, while the patented mess-free pour spout makes pouring smooth and precise, no drips or spills. The unique design of the lid even allows for streaming in oils, making it perfect for dressings and sauces. This versatile 2-in-1 appliance functions both as a high-performance blender and a mini food chopper. The 3-cup chopper bowl allows for quick prep of vegetables, herbs, and nuts, saving time and kitchen space. Featuring 12 blending functions, it supports multiple tasks, such as pureeing, mixing, and crushing ice. Thanks to the Wave Action system, ingredients are continuously pulled down into the stainless steel blades, delivering consistently smooth and creamy results for shakes, smoothies, or soups. Cleaning up is also effortless, as all removable parts, including the blades and jars, are dishwasher safe. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender stands out as a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly choice for anyone who wants professional quality blending and chopping performance at home. The second on the list is the Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender is a powerhouse designed for anyone who loves making smoothies, frozen drinks, and creamy blends at home. With its 1,000 watts of professional performance, this blender can easily crush ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients in seconds. The large 72-ounce total crushing pitcher allows users to prepare multiple servings at once, making it ideal for families or gatherings. Equipped with total crushing technology, the Ninja features robust stainless steel blades that pulverize whole fruits and vegetables with ease. It can turn ice into snow in seconds, perfect for smoothies, shakes, and resort-style frozen drinks. Moreover, cleanup is quick and effortless. The pitcher and lid are dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple after every use. However, some users may find that the warranty coverage is limited to specific components, which might not include accessories. Overall, the Ninja Professional Blender stands out as a reliable, high-performance appliance that delivers impressive results for blending, crushing, and pureeing, all with professional-grade efficiency. The third on the list is the Black & Decker Countertop Blender. The Black & Decker Countertop Blender is a reliable kitchen companion built for everyday blending needs. With 12 speed settings, including pulse, it offers full control over texture and consistency, making it perfect for smoothies, soups, purees, and even icy beverages. The 6-cup glass jar is durable, easy to handle, and ideal for preparing multiple servings at once. At the heart of this blender is the removable fusion blade, a 4-point stainless steel design that blends at multiple levels for superior cutting and mixing performance. Whether it's crushing ice or blending fruits, the fusion blade delivers a fast and even result every time. Convenience is another highlight. Every removable part, including the lid, jar, and blade assembly, is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Additionally, the included troubleshooting guide provides simple solutions for maintaining blending consistency and performance. Overall, the Black & Decker Countertop Blender combines power, functionality, and user-friendly design at an excellent value. It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking a dependable and versatile appliance to make delicious drinks, sauces, and meals with ease. The fourth on the list is the Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact and versatile kitchen essential designed to handle multiple tasks with ease. Powered by a 250-watt, it can chop, blend, whip, grind, and mix in just seconds. The set includes a crossblade, tall and short cups, party mugs, lip rings, resealable lids, making it a complete solution for meal and snack preparation. Its high-impact plastic cups are durable and lightweight, ideal for everyday use. It's perfect for preparing smoothies, omelets, sauces, dips, and even frozen cocktails in under 10 seconds. The included recipe guide provides a quick start with fun and delicious ideas for every occasion. Plus, the dishwasher-safe attachments make cleanup fast and effortless, saving both time and effort. However, some users may experience occasional breakage issues with the plastic cups or blades if used heavily over time. Overall, the Magic Bullet Blender stands out as a handy, space-saving appliance that delivers impressive performance and convenience, making it ideal for quick meals, snacks, and everyday blending needs. The fifth on the list is the Mueller Smoothie Blender. The Mueller Smoothie Blender is a compact yet powerful personal blender designed for convenience, speed, and performance. With its 15-ounce travel cup and lid, it's ideal for creating smoothies, shakes, and even baby food in seconds. The powerful motor efficiently blends both fresh and frozen ingredients, turning them into deliciously smooth drinks. Built with durable stainless steel blades, it easily pulverizes fruits and vegetables, ensuring rich and consistent textures every time. What makes this blender especially convenient is its portable blending jar. Users can blend their favorite mix, twist on the drinking lid, and enjoy their smoothie directly from the same cup, saving time on cleanup and reducing kitchen clutter. With its sturdy build and sleek design, the Mueller Smoothie Blender fits perfectly into any lifestyle, from home kitchens to office breaks or workouts. Overall, it's a reliable, high-quality, and portable blending solution that delivers efficiency, durability, and convenience, all in one stylish package. The last on the list is the Oster Pro Smoothie Blender. The Oster Pro Smoothie Blender is a powerful and versatile appliance built for modern kitchens. With its 1,200 watts of blending power and 900 watts dedicated to ice crushing, it handles everything from creamy smoothies to chunky salsas with ease. The 6-cup Bora-class glass jar is both durable and resistant to thermal shock, making it safe for hot and cold mixtures. The included 24-ounce smoothie cup adds portability, allowing users to blend and go without switching containers. The pulse function provides added control for precise chopping and texture adjustment. However, some users might find that certain thick smoothies don't always blend perfectly on the first try. Overall, the Oster Pro is a high-performing, reliable, and durable blender that delivers professional-grade blending power and convenience for any home kitchen.